Yeah, worst possible time, huh?
You're not supposed to do that.
You think it's very funny, don't you?
So it definitely seems to run better if you run a 180 than Captain. 332 than Captain.
Good, man. Drop it.
Yeah, another one.
Let's go on.
That's pretty fucking good, right?
Yeah, we're pretty good.
So y'all filling up pretty tight all the cracks?
Not all of them, but it meant
Was it just really fucking Really? Do I not have to add salt?